Hello, today we are talking about legal considerations for real estate investors. Real estate investments can be a profitable way to generate income and build wealth over time. However, like any investment, there are legal considerations that must be taken into account to protect your investment and ensure your success. In this article, we will discuss some of the most important legal considerations for real estate investors. Property ownership. One of the most basic legal considerations for real estate investors is property ownership. When you purchase a property, you become the legal owner of that property. This means that you are responsible for any liabilities associated with that property, including property taxes, mortgage payments, and maintenance costs. It is important to understand the legal requirements for property ownership in your state or country and to ensure that you comply with all relevant laws and regulations. Contracts. Contracts are an essential part of any real estate transaction. Contracts outline the terms and conditions of the transaction, including the purchase price, closing date, and any contingencies. As an investor, it is important to understand the terms of the contract and to ensure that they are favorable to your interests. It is also important to work with an experienced real estate attorney who can review the contract and ensure that it is legally binding and enforceable. Liens and encumbrances. When you purchase a property, you are also purchasing any liens or encumbrances associated with that property. Liens are legal claims against the property, such as unpaid property taxes or mortgage payments, while encumbrances are restrictions on the property, such as easements or zoning regulations. It is important to conduct a thorough title search before purchasing a property to ensure that there are no liens or encumbrances that could affect your ownership of the property. Zoning and land use regulations. Zoning and land use regulations are laws that govern how a property can be used. These regulations can impact your ability to develop or use a property in certain ways. It is important to understand the zoning and land use regulations in your area and to ensure that you comply with all relevant laws and regulations. Financing. Real estate investors often need to obtain financing to purchase properties. There are many different financing options available, including traditional bank loans, private loans, and crowdfunding. It is important to understand the terms of the financing agreement and to ensure that the terms are favorable to your interests. Working with an experienced real estate attorney can help ensure that the financing agreement is legally binding and enforceable. Taxes. Real estate investments can have significant tax implications. It is important to understand the tax implications of your investment and to ensure that you comply with all relevant tax laws and regulations. This may include paying property taxes, income taxes, and capital gains taxes. Working with an experienced tax attorney or accountant can help ensure that you comply with all relevant tax laws and regulations and minimize your tax liability. Conclusion. Real estate investing can be a lucrative way to build wealth and generate income. However, it is important to understand the legal considerations involved in real estate investing and to ensure that you comply with all relevant laws and regulations. Working with an experienced real estate attorney can help ensure that you protect your investment and achieve your financial goals. If you liked this video, then share your thoughts in the comments. We read them all. Do not forget to like it and subscribe for more content like this. If you are interested in making 2x of income on your rental property or looking to rent properties in California or Florida for shorter stays, make sure to visit www.az-housing.com. Thank you for watching.